How to withdraw the BNB Beacon Chain from your Trust wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Without any ado, let's get started. First of all, you will have to download and update your Trust wallet app and then launch it. First of all, provide your login credentials, whether passcode or face ID or fingerprint. Once you are logged in the cryptocurrency listed, search for BNB and you will see four options such as send, receive, swap. Tap on send, and after this you will have to open your another application, which is Binance. Now from there you have to tap on deposit at the top right corner and choose deposit crypto. In the search bar, type BNB and select BNB Beacon Chain Network. This should give you a QR code and the deposit address. Copy the address. After that, you can return to this Trust wallet. Either paste the copied domain name or you can scan it as well. Once you have scanned and then given the amount, you can follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn the BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.